Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot using the 555 method. This is really easy. I made these plenty of times, and eggs are a great source of protein. So without further ado, let's just get started. So I'm using about a cup of regular plain tap water. Just dump it right into the Instant Pot, just like I'm doing. And you'll need that to steam your eggs. And of course, we're going to need some type of basket to put the eggs in. You can put them on this trivet that came with your unit, and I've done that before as well, but I found something that worked even better. I bought this steamer basket off of Amazon, and you can put vegetables in here or anything you want in the steamer basket, and it worked out really great. And now of course we're going to use the star of the show, which is eggs. I'm using 6 large cage-free eggs from a local market basket, and over here trying to adjust the camera angle. Just put them right in. Just be careful you don't crack the eggs. These eggs are really great for just about anything. Hard-boiled eggs are always a good on-the-go snack. You can make double eggs with these, and I usually make. Sometimes I'll make egg salad. Now it's time to get the eggs going into the Instant Pot. So what I got going on here is, don't forget guys, I'm filming by myself, so it's very hard to film. So just take your eggs and put it in the Instant Pot, and again, don't be afraid to use the Instant Pot. And what we're going to do is we're going to set it for the 555 method after we get it sealed. And now I got to plug, obviously got to plug it in, and don't mind my mess behind my Instant Pot, because it is what it is. We got a small apartment. And then you make sure that your seal is properly sealed on your lid, and because you put your lid back onto your Instant Pot and you turn the counterclockwise and lock it in. I accidentally set it for 10 minutes, and then at some point I realized that, and I reset my Instant Pot to 5 minute on steam. Now you're going to make sure that it's on seal, not bent, and I'm showing the demonstration over here in this video. Very simple. You take your Instant Pot at this point, you set it on to steam, and then you put 5 minutes on the Instant Pot time. I accidentally did 10 minutes at first, and then I realized it, and I readjusted it afterwards to do the proper method of the 555 method. And then you just, you let it go, just like that rotisserie chicken guy there. Remember Ronco from years ago, set it and forget it? Well, this is a great example. Once you get your eggs into your Instant Pot, you got it sealed properly. You set it for 5 minutes on steam, and you set it and you forget it. And then 5 minutes later, after it vents off, it'll say L. What it's doing is counting down the 5 minutes for natural release, like it's doing over here in the video. And it's almost ready to pop the lid. And again, when you pop the lid, just be careful when you don't want to burn yourself. So good idea to stay away from the seal when you pop the lid. And pretty simple. Okay, so now that the 5 minutes of timer has elapsed, we're going to shut it off, and we're going to pop the lid, and we're going to vent it. And I'm showing the demonstration how to vent it. I just take my finger and just pop it a little bit. A little bit of steam came out of there, and once the steam fully exhausts out of the Instant Pot there's a little button that'll snap down there indicating that it's okay to open up. There you go, just like that. Now it's okay to open up the lid, and over here I'm just taking the lid off. Be careful, there's a lot of water on the inside of your lid, so that's why you turned it upside down. And there you go, there are our eggs that we just did in 5 minutes, and then I'm using a pair of tongs so I don't burn myself. And then I'm taking the my tongs over here. Now, the reason why they call it the 555 method, at this point you're going to take it and put it in a nice bath to stop the cooking process. And I got some more cold water with some ice in it, and then I'll let that sit for obviously 5 minutes or a little bit longer. You'll be amazed at how easy these shells peel off. And like I said, here I did 6 eggs, but you know, you can put as many as a couple dozen eggs in one of these steamer baskets, you know, and that's really great if you really love eggs and want to make a lot of egg salad or whatever you want to make with your eggs. Well, it's been just about 5 minutes, guys. What I got going on here is I grabbed a hold of a regular trash bag from Market Basket in one of my stores that we go to, and then I'm taking the egg and I'm showing you the demonstration how easy it is for the eggs to. The shell just peels right off of these like butter. It's incredible how this Instant Pot works. You can see I'm just cleaning off the egg like that, and look at that, guys. Isn't that really cool? 6 eggs in 5 minutes. Who knew, right? And then we're going to continue on peeling and cracking the eggs, and then we're going to prep them for a meal, and then I'll show you a demonstration of what they look like when we cut them open in a couple of minutes. Once I finish peeling the eggs, I put them in a small little bowl like this, and there you go. There's our 6 hard-boiled eggs in less than 10 minutes using the 555 method. And these came out really, really great, by the way. And what I ended up doing with these eggs, I ended up using put them into an egg salad sandwich. And look at how it's nice and smoothly cut with the knife, just like butter. And over here, I'm just showing you what they look like from that perspective. Pretty cool. And there you have our final product. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel grow, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And the way I've been doing my videos now without all the jibber jabber and the noise from the background. Have a great day, guys.